Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic cruisers in Harley-Davidson's lineup, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. This legendary bike has been a fan favorite for decades, known for its bold presence, signature disc wheels, and powerful performance. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about the latest Fat Boy, including its design, engine, performance, technology, and why it continues to be a top choice for riders who want both style and muscle. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth motorcycle content. The 2025 Fat Boy sticks to its roots with that unmistakable muscular design. The wide stance, solid Lakester wheels, and chunky front end give it an aggressive, road-dominating look. Harley-Davidson has introduced new paint options and updated finishes, making this year's model look even more premium. The combination of chrome and blacked-out accents gives riders the option to choose between a classic or a modern, stealthy aesthetic. The iconic LED headlamp not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's bold character. Whether parked or in motion, the Fat Boy commands attention. Underneath that tough exterior lies the heart of the beast, the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. This year, Harley has tuned the 2025 Fat Boy for even better throttle response and power delivery. The 1923cc V-twin ensures effortless torque, making highway cruising and city riding equally thrilling. The engine delivers a signature deep, rumbling exhaust note, reminding everyone around that this is no ordinary cruiser. With improved cooling and fuel efficiency, the Fat Boy remains a powerhouse without compromising on comfort. Whether you're rolling through the city streets or hitting the open highway, this bike is built to perform. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Fat Boy offers a refined ride despite its heavyweight stance. The softtail frame provides a rigid look but ensures smooth, responsive handling. The high-performance front and rear suspension absorb bumps effortlessly, making long rides more comfortable. The low seat height and wide handlebars offer an ergonomic riding position, giving riders more control while maintaining that classic cruiser feel. Harley has also fine-tuned the rear mono-shock suspension, allowing for better cornering and stability, making this Fat Boy more agile than ever before. Harley-Davidson has stepped up its game in the technology department, and the 2025 Fat Boy is no exception. The new digital display provides essential ride stats while seamlessly integrating with Harley's infotainment system. Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and ride modes allow for a more personalized experience. The LED lighting system enhances visibility, ensuring safety during night rides. Advanced safety features like cornering ABS, traction control, and electronic cruise control make this bike not just powerful, but also smarter and safer. Customization has always been a key part of the Harley experience, and the 2025 Fat Boy continues that tradition. Riders can choose from an extensive range of aftermarket parts, performance upgrades, and accessories to make their bike truly unique. From custom exhausts and handlebar setups to different seat options and paint jobs, the possibilities are endless. The Fat Boy is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement, and Harley makes sure you can tailor it to fit your personality. So, who is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy for? This bike is perfect for riders who want a bold, muscular cruiser with a balance of performance and style. It's built for those who love long highway rides, appreciate raw torque, and want a machine that stands out wherever it goes. Whether you're a longtime Harley rider or someone looking to step into the world of big cruisers, the Fat Boy remains one of the most exciting options in the lineup. Overall, the 2025 Fat Boy stays true to its legendary heritage while integrating modern performance and technology. It's powerful, stylish, and refined, offering everything you'd expect from an iconic Harley-Davidson cruiser. With its signature design, aggressive stance, and top-tier performance, it's easy to see why this bike remains a favorite among riders. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. What do you think about this year's model? Would you ride one, and what features stand out the most to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Paradise. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.